Welcome to the walk round video of this 1958 Triumph TR3A being offered in our Duxford auction, which takes place on the 26th of May. The Triumph itself was extensively restored and uprated by the vendor for competition use during the 1980s. It was also treated to a new chassis in 1999. The upgrades the car has include a close ratio 4-speed gearbox with overdrive and all gears. It's got lightweight fiberglass bonnet, front panel and wings, and it's also offered with full weather equipment. It's a desirable home market car, and it's also got a Rover 2000 brake servo, air-equipped brake lines and coilover fully adjustable rear shock absorbers.